How to find recently followed accounts on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Instagram, what you simply need to do is you need to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So let's tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And as you do that, what you simply need to do is tap on the list of followers or following. So if you want to find recently followed accounts, so let's tap on the number of followers, and here you can see all the followers. You can tap on the following list as well. And as a tap on following list, so make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So what you can do is you can see the option of sorted by. So right now it's sorted by default. So if you want to see the recently followed, simply tap on the arrow up and down icon, and here you can simply tap on date followed latest. So you can simply select on that and it will sort it just like that. So you can just see the list over here. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.